In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text in video in Veed. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly delete unwanted on-screen text or subtitle elements from an existing project without touching anything else in your edit. First, open your browser and head to the Veed home screen. This is where all your projects live. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you can see the video you want to work on. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that so your edits save properly. From the home view, click the project you want to edit. This opens the video inside the Veed editor. Give it a second to load. Once you see the timeline, the canvas preview, and the side panels, you're in the right place. If you have multiple versions of a video, double check the thumbnail and title to confirm you opened the correct one. Now click directly on the text or subtitle you want to remove. You can do this in a few places. If it's a text overlay on the video, click it right on the canvas. You should see a bounding box appear around it, confirming it's selected. If it's a subtitle, you can click the subtitle item in the subtitle panel or the corresponding block in the timeline. Either way, you'll know it's selected when it's highlighted and the editing options appear. If you're having trouble selecting it, try zooming into the timeline or temporarily hiding other layers so you don't click the wrong element. Also check that the text layer isn't locked. If it is, unlock it first so you can select it. With the text or specific subtitle segment selected, press backspace or delete on your keyboard. That removes exactly what you selected, nothing more. If you selected a single subtitle caption, only that caption goes away. If you selected a full text layer, the entire overlay is removed. If you delete the wrong thing, don't worry, use undo with Ctrl or Command+Z and try again. Repeat the select and delete action for any other text elements you want to clear. A quick note for clarity. This method removes editable text and subtitles added in the editor. If the text is baked into the original footage, like a watermark or signage that's part of the video image, deleting a text layer won't affect it. For that scenario, you'd need different editing techniques which aren't covered here. And that's it. Open the project, select the exact text or subtitle you don't want, then press backspace or delete. Simple, precise, and fast.